Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Miss Jen Marie. I know I've been missing MIA. I know, I get it. But 2020 is off to a great start for me. I had to get over a little but I'm here. I'm back and I am creating a look using a Christmas present that I had yet to open until today. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, you know what to do. Just keep watching. Alright, so first things first, let me just comb out my brows. Y'all know, if y'all been following me, y'all know I don't do brows really. I just kind of brush them and put a little gel on them and call it a day. You know, that's the best I can do. But I'm gonna start with my eyes first. I feel so bad because this was a Christmas gift that I'm just now getting around to opening. I can't say who it's from because I know that they watch my videos. But yes, no, this is a Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette. And I believe this is the Rich in Color palette. So I'm just gonna play with it a little bit, do a little chit chat or whatever, you know, because I haven't seen y'all since last month, since my holiday slay video. I don't believe in New Year's resolutions, but I promise y'all I'm going to do better, or at least attempt to do better with uploading my content consistently, you know. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. I like this. I've followed Patricia Bright for like 3 years now, and like her personality is super dope. Like, this is cute. This is really cute. I like the colors. They're so much my speed. I love a good color because I'm a yellow gal, so anything that makes the colors pop, I'm here for it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyes with my Shape Tape. Y'all, I still be rocking this. I don't care what nobody say. Let's see. And then, oh, I should have planned this out better. I should have planned this out better because I'm all over the place. When I say I'm all over the place, that is what I mean. Like, so much is going on. So much is going on. I'm still in my career as a journalist full-time while I transition to music full-time. So between the impeachment hearing, or the trial now, by the time this video goes up, we will be in like full impeachment trial mode. But yeah, no, my whole life is just all over the place. And then scheduling content and working with my team about the music, like, and on top of everything, I'm just getting over like this weird cough. I haven't been running a fever or anything, but I had a terrible cough and it was just, let's just say I was sick. We're just gonna say I was sick. So for my crease color, I'm going to take, I feel like being really, really bold and reckless. So, I am going to take, it's a lot of cute colors here. Okay, so for my transition color, I'm just gonna take this color Allspice and I'm just gonna work that onto my crease. They're so rude. This city is so rude. But yeah, I'm just gonna work that onto my crease and just see what happens. But yeah, no, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so my music, everything is like moving right along. I'm getting ready to do the storyboard for the music video, do a whole Spotify campaign, the whole 9. But I just got set back this month because, you know, life happens. But yeah, no, I'm not really tripping about it. What else has been going on? So much has been going on. It's ridiculous. Like, the world that we live in is just tragic. Like, between the bushfires in Australia, between Future and Lori Harvey getting together, which, y'all pray for that girl. I'm gonna pray for her because I just feel like somebody need to just tell her she is worthy of just love and the right kind of self-love, because right now what it look like is she bouncing from bro to bro, and it's not a good look. Shun the very appearance of evil. That's what the old folks be saying. But anywho, I digress. Oh my goodness, I found out, because I literally have been under a rock. I'm literally just getting back to civilization, because when I'm sick, like, I literally, if I'm not at work, I'm asleep, and if I'm not asleep, I'm at work. Like, that's just how I go. I don't want to be bothered with any popular culture, any news, no nothing. I want to binge watch on TV shows and sleep. I didn't know Jeffree Star and Nathan broke up. Like, I'm late. I'm like a week late. April and the little fizz look like they about to be broken up or kind of sort of maybe broken up. I don't know. That's a whole different conversation. I'm not even into their whole storyline because it's just messy. Some stuff is just messy. And then what I'm gonna do to deepen everything up, because I don't know what it is, but this purple, this reckless purple is calling my name. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take another brush and I'm going to work that. I'm gonna work it onto my eyelid. But you know what? You know what? I have an idea. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I'm feeling myself right now. I feel like I can conquer the world because I feel 100%. You know how when you get over a cold, you feel like you can do anything? Like, that's where I'm at. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this dirty brush. Hopefully it doesn't transfer, but I'm just gonna take this color, Reckless, this purple color, and I'm just gonna place it all over my lid. I have a look in mind because I don't know if y'all, like, I don't know about y'all, but whenever I'm doing makeup, like, I never ever go in with a plan of what I'm gonna do. But when I see like colors like stick out at me, then I go for it. I'm like, oh, that's the color that I want to use, and I think I'm on something. So where were we at? Oh, so the Grammys are coming up. They're this weekend. I'm looking forward to seeing Lizzo sweep at the Grammys. As y'all know, if y'all been following me, I'm a Recording Academy member, and I have noticed over the past couple of years how not diverse amongst so many other academies are not diverse. When I tell you, like, I hope she sweeps up everything, that is what I mean. Her, Lil Nas X, like, what? I'm here for it. There's a Nipsey Hussle tribute. Like, they not playing around. Ooh, what's happening in sports? So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I saw on Makeup by Tiffany J, her YouTube channel. She's super dope. She uses this brush to cut her crease. So it's the Simply Simmons number 10 brush. So we gonna see if I can get a crease like hers. We gonna see. I don't know, but I'm gonna try. Can't nobody get hurt trying. Alright, y'all, so my crease is cut and I'm shook. I think Makeup by Tiffany J hipped us to some game. For real, my crease looks bomb. I'm not gonna let any of y'all shame me. It looks good. Let me have my moment. Let me see, for my lid color, because most of my brushes are dirty, so I'm kind of hesitant to use like any of them that are questionable, because the last thing I want is some colors to mix that I don't want, because then I'll probably cry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet my little brush, and I cannot find, for the life of me, I cannot find my P. Louise base, and I'm getting a little nervous because I'm just like, I need to replace it anyway to have some backups, but I'm just like, shipping from London is like forever. I feel like I wait forever and 10 days to get my stuff, but whatever, I digress. Until then, we'll be using Shape Tape. So I'm just gonna be taking this color Wow, and we're gonna just place it on the lid until I feel good about it. So it doesn't really pick up on the brush. Ooh, y'all can't see. Focus, camera, focus. But anywho, it doesn't. I'm a little sad. I'm a little sad because it's not picking up as much as I would like. So I'm gonna try to I'm gonna place this on dry, like without any setting spray on my left eye, and see what happens. But this right here, I'm not 100% sold on the consistency right now.
A few moments later.
For foundation, I'm just gonna use my usual Lancome 435 Bisque W, because if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Some trends I brought into 2020 with me, and this is one of them.
It's an epic experience. See me and my girls gon' ride.
For concealer, I'm going to use the last bit of this NARS 1.5 medium dark concealer before I have to just go ahead and go to Sephora and just be like, y'all know why I'm here. Although I think I need to give some other brands a try. I'm such a creature of habit. I don't know what it is, but change, that ain't my ministry. Okay, she cute. And then to set everything kind of in place, I'm literally going through the gigs trying to make sure that I have the right clean brushes, because I'm like, what happened to me like over Christmas, like over the holidays, I was doing my makeup and I grabbed the wrong brush, and like I literally had like a purple brownish color like for blush because I picked up the wrong brush. So I'm like, I'm real hesitant when I use different brushes, because I'm like, oh no, the worst thing that could happen is two colors mixing that are supposed to mix. But nonetheless, I digress. So I'm just taking my Ciate setting powder, which, y'all, I'm shook. These independent brands, I feel like in 2020, these independent brands really gonna have something to say. The way drugstore brands was coming for our neck in 2018 and 2019, I feel like the indie brands, they're on the same wave, because I'm like, one of the eyeliners that I'm really feeling right now, which I'll do my current favorites video just so y'all will know what I'm on right now, is Bomb, and it's the independent brand. For my powder, y'all already know, like, y'all can really just skip through this part of the video, because if y'all been following me, y'all know I stick with the Pure 4-in-1 Golden Dark. But I promise I'm gonna try some other like powders. I promise that I don't do New Year's resolutions, because I feel like they're a joke. I feel like if you want to change, you just will. You don't need a whole new year to do something different. But nonetheless, I made a conscientious effort to ensure that I try new powders. All right, and then to bronze, I'm gonna use my Anastasia. Put that back where I found it. I'm gonna take my bronzer from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just gonna chisel out some features real quick. And I'm kind of just speeding through this part of my makeup routine because, one, y'all have seen it before, and two, like, I have such a routine with my face makeup to where it's my, anywho, I have such a face routine when it comes to putting on my makeup that just works for me, that I spend the majority of my makeup time on my eyes. So yeah. All right, and then for highlighter, I'm just gonna be taking my Dose of Colors Chasing the Sun. This is the Desi and Katie collab, which still knocks even in 2020. But I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight some features, you know, see what happens, see what's up. A little bit on the forehead, you know, because my forehead isn't too big, so it can, you know, I can allow the shine. All right, and then for blush, I'm just gonna be taking this Gigi Gorgeous blush. It is in the color Authentic Pride. I think that's what it's called. I'll figure it out and put it in the description box. I promise y'all I will. But yeah, no, I'm gonna go and just pat the apples of my cheeks, because that's just how I do things. This city really never sleeps at all, like, at all. But anyways, let me put this back where I found it. I misplace my stuff all the time, and I'm trying to do better.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to work on my under eye real quick. And I really, honestly, I hope the pigmentation on this is really good, because I'm just gonna take this rich color right here, and I'm just gonna work that under my on my lower lash line just to see what happens. Like, I have a feeling if it's pigmented, it's gonna be a great thing, but if it's not pigmented, it's gonna be a horror story. So let's see. So for lips, I'm just gonna be using my Mahogany lip liner. And I still have some lip oil on my lips. I'm not gonna wipe it off because, I mean, I feel like it's not done doing its job. Just gonna fill in my lips just a little. It looked like we started Mardi Gras early. All right, and then for lips, I'm gonna be taking this Velvet Teddy from MAC. Douse that onto my lips. Alright y'all, so this is the completed look. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see more of, less of, in between. I promise. I don't believe in New Year's resolutions, but I promise that I will get more consistent with uploading. It's just life comes at you fast, right? But anyways, I digress. If you're not already listening to my single living life, we are still going strong. It is still a bop. Y'all go support your girl. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, you keep coming back. Just hit the subscribe button and be like Nike and just do it. But yeah, anyways, that's all the time that your girl has today. Remember that until my next upload, kindness does not cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So until my next upload, remember to be kind and be you.